channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and today's reaction is going to be a Blackpink reaction. Yes. And this is a song that I've chosen, Kiss and Makeup, and this is, I told you in my last Blackpink reaction that I'm going to be reacting to their collaboration song with Dua Lipa. I love Dua and I love Blackpink, so this is like a double treat for me. So what I'll do is that because there is no MV, I'm going to be reacting to the lyric video first, and also I have chosen because I wanted to see if there is any video regarding this, and I found out that they did a concert where Blackpink and Dua Lipa were there together, so I'm going to be reacting to that as well. So yes, without delaying this, let's first react to the lyric video. I'm really excited to listen to this song. Okay, Kiss and Makeup. Okay. Already gonna love it. Oh, Dua's vocals. I love the tempo of the song. This is reminding me sort of playing with fire.
Don't wanna lose you this way. Feeling we about to break up.
Oh!
Just wanna kiss and make up one last time. Touch me like you touch nobody.
Oh wow! Wow! Oh wow! Can I tell you guys something? Blinks. I know probably some of you will kill me for this, but this collaboration, because I've not listened to many Blackpink collaboration. I think it was just Ice Cream, with the Blackpink with Selena. This is better. I like the collaboration with her, with Blackpink, Dua with Blackpink. I'm fine, and the song is not even over yet. It's only 1 minute, but this is better than the collaboration with Selena. Just my opinion, guys. I feel that. Do let me know. I mean, you can have a different opinion, of course. Oh yes. I love it. I love this ay part.
Just wanna kiss and make up one last time. Touch me like you touch nobody.
Beautiful. Catchy. I just love how catchy their songs is. So catchy from the get-go. The hook is so. I think Blackpink knows what a good hook is. Teddy, right? Teddy is the one who produces their song. So I think Teddy knows like the hook that's gonna make you addicted to that particular song. The hook is beautiful.
Kiss and make up, kiss and make up. So tell me, can we work this whole thing out? Work this whole thing out. So tell me, can we work this whole thing out? Work this whole thing out.
Wow, Dua!
Kiss and make up. Touch me like you touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me. Tired of hearing sorry. Kiss and make up.
Oh, this is a beautiful song. I love it. Can't wait to see the live. Oh no, it's over. 10 on 10. 10 on 10 for this song. Oh my goodness. Now you know what? I feel so bad that the Ice Cream got an MV. Great. But this also should have had an MV. This song deserves an MV. This song deserves having an MV. Blinks, what do you think? This is my opinion. Do let me know what are your thoughts. Okay, now that was the lyric video. I loved it. The beats, like I said, the hook is so catchy. Kiss make up. Na, 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 na. Okay, let's move on to the live performance. Now I'm more excited to see the live performance after I listened to the song. Okay, let's start. Yo. Oh yeah, actually. Woo! Queen Dua. Okay, it's gonna be more screaming, but fine. No problem. I'm here to see the performance. Look at her aura. She's amazing. Na, 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 na. And I want to listen to Kiss Makeup. Na, 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 na. Oh, there they are. That ay part is also really nice. In the lyric video, I was doing this, and the steps are also like this. I mean, this is a very obvious step for this kind of beat. Dua is so tall. Ay, part. Look at Lisa. She looks so beautiful.
Just wanna kiss some makeup one last night. Touch you like you touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me. Tired of hearing stories. Make kiss some makeup. How about I leave this body? 'Cause all I want is you around me. Tired of hearing stories.
Here, do this. Do this. This is such an obvious step for this song. This was a great collaboration. I really like this collaboration. Wow. Rose is so pretty. Oh, all of them are pretty. Beautiful. Yes! Qualified Blackpink! Perfect! Perfect!
So much for being here today. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much. Good night.
That was amazing. This was such a nice collaboration. This was such a nice. I love it. I love it. This song was beautiful. I absolutely, their vocals, when Dua's vocals are so beautiful. I love Dua Lipa. I love Dua Lipa so much. Her songs are amazing. I mean, she's just killing it now with her songs. Dua Lipa currently. I mean, she's amazing. And yes, like I said, this collaboration is really superior. I wish they collaborate more, and I honestly now wish this also should have had an MV. This should have had an MV. And yeah, do let me know your opinion on that. Like between, I mean, I think Ice Cream, yes, Ice Cream got an MV. I'm happy, but I'm feeling really bad. I don't know why I'm feeling so bad that this does not have an MV. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to A Kiss and Makeup featuring Dua Lipa. I loved this song. Absolutely. Like I said, this is reminding me sort of like Playing with Fire, like the tempo. It reminded me of that. So I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.